learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Patika Hakka here on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hey， 大家好，Alice， 今天我们要教大家一个这个片语，叫做早知道啊 ，If I knew， 做底 ，If I knew I didn't do this or do that, or if I knew something was going to happen, I wouldn't do this or that。有什么状况会早知道啊？我知道，我很喜欢吃，
所以早知道就不要吃那么多。
对，身材就变成这样。不过没有啦，如果你去那种吃不饱的不是吃不饱。吃到饱，你看我一直在想吃，吃到饱的餐厅，
所以啊，
对，
你真的是太饿了，
拿太多菜，对我好饿哦，拿太多菜，对不对？然后你就会说早知道，我不要拿那么多了嘛。
我知道你可能太饿了，所以你都吃不饱。
真是的。好 ，Let's put you in the scenario. Let's say you're at a buffet and you took too much food, and you're like, if I knew I wouldn't take so much food, okay?
做底就莫拿按斗菜耶。
做底就是早知道。
对。
然后就莫拿
就是不要拿。
不要拿 ，that means I shouldn't take。
按斗菜耶。
按斗菜这么多菜，对不对？
按斗
So much food. 按斗 means too much or this much, and then 菜 means food or vegetables. Actually, that's literally what it means. 那当然，
我就会跟你讲，
对，
我就跟你说，你一定会吃不完
吧 ？Yeah, there's always going to be someone reminding you or telling you, "I told you so." You wouldn't be able to finish it. 我就说你一定吃不完，怎么说？
挨手讲，
挨手讲。
一天是唔踢哈。
一天是唔踢哈，是唔踢哈就是吃
不完吧
？That means you can't finish it. 一天。
你一定。
that means you must. Not be able to finish it. OK， 好，那没办法啦。像刚刚啊，我真的太饿了，就说吃不饱的。
我了解，所以呢，冇法度。给下冻肚脐。
OK， 冇法度 ，that means 没办法 ，can't help it。刚刚太饿，给
下冻肚脐。
OK， 肚脐就是太饿了。
巴豆腰。
Let's review some of these phrases right now， 因为赶快要去吃东西了哦。
好。
吃不完怎么说 ？Can't finish your food。
是唔踢。
That means I can't finish it. OK，and very hungry， 太饿了哈，怎么说？
冻肚脐。
That's me right now， 冻肚脐 ，I'm so hungry。
冻肚脐的时候要没力气的讲，
对啊，也是
冻肚脐
啊，好饿哦。早知道呢，我们是这个月的主题，早知道要怎么说呢？
做底。
And now you know, don't waste your food. That does it for today's Patika Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺是谁张来了？
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.